Hi, my name is Nathaniel McKenzie. The name of my firm is McKenzie Forensic Auditors. You're probably on the website looking for a good firm to do some business with. You have a case. So you want to know, can this firm reliably, effectively execute my case and give me the results that I want? There are lots of firms out there, but there's not lots of firms with the credibility, the background, and the experience. So a little bit about myself. I started my career with Medicaid Fraud Control Unit. There I was the lead forensic auditor. I spent 5 years with Medicaid Fraud Control Unit, and I also had the opportunity to train with the FBI data analysis in Pensacola, Florida, where we did handle large quantity data. We did the analysis, we put the case together for the prosecution of medical facilities, doctors, and everything like that. So in 2004, I started McKenzie Forensic Auditor. My team and I just decided we can go out there and help the public and help some attorneys help their clients. So we have 3 practice areas. Our practice areas include economic damage cases, forensic audit, and also business partnership dispute. So I'll tell you a little bit about the economic damage case. The economic damage case is one of my clients got into a terrible accident with a Ford Motor Company. So Ford Motor Company brought all the attorneys into a federal court to challenge the work that we do and also the client. We wanted to make sure that this client get the money they deserve. The client was incapacitated, lose the ability to execute their career. After hours and weeks of putting together the economic damage report, my team of attorneys, along with 4 team of attorneys, we did a deposition. We was entered into expert witness capacity, and there I present my case to the Ford Motor Company, and we subsequently won millions of dollars. The client was happy, the attorneys were happy, and that's just one of the cases that I've done. And the reason I'm mentioning it is the most recent. The other case is fraud, forensic audit for fraud. An attorney was entrusted with over $25 million of his client's money. Unfortunately, the attorney absconded with all the client's money. He invested into a lot of strategic, complicated investment facilities. He invested different parts of the world. So it took us months and months to put all this information together, asset tracing. But nevertheless, we did a great job. We were able to assimilate all this information, put it together, and go before a judge, a mediator, and say, look, this is what happened. We followed the money, literally followed the money. And again, we won that case. The attorney was disciplined, sanctioned. I think he lost his license, and also he had to sell off all of his multi-million-dollar homes, his yacht, to pay this client back the money, and subsequently losses. And after the story, he got divorced. My other client is partner. 2 partners got into a business. The business went from $1 million company, it was a unique industry, into $10 million. Subsequently, the partners got into dispute. The other part, the 2 partners, locked out the partner that initially started the company, the founder of the company, changed the locks, changed the bank account, and started to take all the clients and just start to hide the money. And then they file these erroneous tax returns like, okay, well, if the company is not making the kind of money that you say it's not making, then how is it that these partners are buying new equipment, investing in real estate, and doing so much other things outside of the business? So subsequently, we did some asset searching, we did some forensic analysis, we did the bank accounts, we did the tax returns, we did the financial report, we assimilated all this information. It took us about 5-day trial for the judge to eventually kick those other 2 partners out, give the partner back, and also have them compensate the partner for the economic damage in the business. So if you're a client, a potential client, and you're looking to hire a forensic account firm, don't just go by what you see on the internet. Do your research. McKenzie Forensic Auditor is a boutique firm. We have never been sanctioned. We have no bad reviews. We are result-oriented, even though the money is important, but it's not as important as getting my client the results that they paid for and making sure that the client is happy. So again, my name is Nathaniel McKenzie, Forensic CPA, I'm a forensic CPA, I'm a forensic fraud examiner. In addition to my 25 years experience, I also have the educational capacity to execute these jobs. We love the court. I go to court all the time. I go to court for trial, I go to court for mediation, I go to court for deposition. So again, Nathaniel McKenzie, Forensic Auditor. If you want to hire a good forensic accountant, do your research, talk to us. We don't charge for free consultation. Bye.